My friends, we're gonna be checking out all of the Chainsaw Man endings. I reacted to the first one when it barely came out, but all the other ones are out now, so let's check them out. Hell yeah. This track is dope. It's dope. It's dope. This could easily be the opening though. Easily though. But hey, so good though. Oh, bro, this track is dope. I swear, it's dope. It's dope. It's too dope. Ah, it's too hard, man. Ah, I swear, this track, man. Damn. Man. It was hard, though. Hell yeah. The first opening is dope, but it's very unique, though. It has a lot of creative moments in it, though. We know this because there's a lot going on, though. But this ending, though, is just, I don't know. It's just different though. All right, next one. Oh, the heart, no? The devil heart. Oh, but it's now it's like an actual ending, no, with the animation, right? The other one was kind of like a summary of the episode. So she's a devil too, and she got the horn. Dope track. Dope track. Bro, his pinky looked weird right there though. You guys saw it? Hold on. See it? What? Oh no, it's not his pinky, it's the umbrella thing. I thought it was his pinky. It's cool. The first one's still better though, but not bad though. Oh. Okay. That bass line is meaty though. Mongolian vibes. I like that. Oh, it's cool. This one could easily be an opening too, though. Damn. I like the visuals, though. God damn. Let's go. Oh, God. I didn't do that again. I thought it was going to stop. The drop was dope, though. Go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bro, that bass line is incredible. Dope, dope, dope. This one kind of reminds me of the Death Note opening, though. You know, the second one, that's my favorite opening of Death Note, though. It's so unpredictable, so hectic, though, you know what I mean? This one's tight, too. So far, two of the endings could have easily been an opening, though. So that's how crazy good they are, though. This is tight, too. Hell yeah. This one sounds like some Gorillaz stuff. You know what I mean? I like the 8-bit vibes though. For sure, for sure. Very unpredictable, no? Yeah, the last two endings are like incredibly unpredictable, though. I fuck with that. I fuck with that. So, wait. So like different endings are after like characters, like whatever that character goes through in the show. No. Actually, no. There's plenty characters here, though, so I guess not. So why the horse imagery though? Yeah, the visuals on this one look very symbolic, no? Hold on, I like that, hold on. Ah. Okay. Artwork. Show. Yeah, it's very symbolic, no? Symbolistic. Oh wait, hold on. It has like, is that a devil though? Has hands though. Maybe. I like this part though. That was dope. That was dope. I like the visuals in this one the most though. I think this one the fifth one, no? This one and the third one though. The visuals are crazy good though. They're super dope, super dope. Yeah, no, this one too, it feels very symbolistic though. A lot of artwork. feels very different to most endings, no? Is that like a bullet? Spiral stairs. I don't know what this could mean though. This kind of reminds me, these past two ones, because of the symbolism, kind of reminds me of the Monogatari ones, like the openings, because it has like a lot of different artwork, colors, and frames and figures. You know, it's like very symbolistic, which, you know, you kind of don't really understand what's happening or what it's supposed to mean, though. But it's supposed to mean something, but yeah. It's like 90s vibes, no? Hell yeah. Oh yeah, I fuck with this one too though. Hell yeah. She's very seductive, isn't she? I mean, for the most part, all of the girls look very seductive, though. It's not just a her thing. See? Like this fool right here, she looks down, though. You know what I mean? What the fuck? She's spitting on him? For sure. That was cool. That's a cool one. I like this one too, though. What number is this one? Ending 7. This one's cool. So far, though, the first one, the third one, and this one, though. Oh, I like how this one starts, though. It feels very industrial, though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a banger though. This is for sure a banger though. Hell yeah. This one's super sick though. I think this one and the first one are probably like the best ones though. Oh, but this fool is Tokyo Ghoul, right? Singer. Hell yeah, all his tracks are super good though. Like even the one from the one show. I forget the name of that show though. The show with the detectives though. What's the name of that show? Psychopaths. Yeah. His tracks on that anime too. They're fire though. Another one could easily be an opening though. This one goes hard though, just like the first one though. These probably like the best two though. You know, the third one too, it's also very good. And the seventh. I don't know, let's keep going. Change of pace, no? I don't know what's going on right here though. Probably once I start watching the rest of the show, I understand what all of these openings, all of these endings mean though. Right now I'm like super lost. For sure. That's cool. What's more chill, more relax. Because all the previous ones have been like just going full throttle, 0 to 100 though. Oh, this one's very vibey though. Hell yeah. So it's tight too though. Is this like his point of view though? Is this how he sees things? Maybe, no? But that would be crazy to have color negative vision. Imagine that? Damn. Sure. Maybe, but maybe not. Maybe he sees things that way somehow, some way. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the ending right now. I mean, I don't know though. All these endings look very like there's a lot of symbolism though. So I don't know. Once I continue watching the show, I'll understand all these endings though. Because right now, I feel kind of lost. Violence. But I do like that they all have different styles, but each ending has like a different style though, and different artwork and all of that stuff. Like, yeah, that's sick. That's very unique though. Even the songs too, though. The songs are like very different too. Is this trying to say like they're like part of the system or something? I don't know. Or like some sort of network or something. Maybe. Probably not. I'm always wrong about this stuff. For sure. Yeah, that was aight. But I'm very impressed though with the animation though in every single one of them though. I wonder if they're gonna keep it going in the new season though whenever it comes out, because that's like a lot of work, a lot of money spent too though. This is the last one though. They just going around town. Shopping. Okay. This is the same band from the Jujutsu Kaisen, no? Sounds like it. So I guess maybe throughout the season they probably weren't close to each other, but by the end of the season now they're close to each other. That's why the ending is trying to get the point across. Maybe that would be my only guess, though. Definitely very impressed though with the endings, though. Each ending could go against any other ending, though. They're like very high level, though, for sure. But definitely my favorite ones is, of course, number one. Though that's something else. The first opening though. It's crazy though. That's crazy good though. Second one, number 8. That's fire. That's a fire ending though. And then the third one will be number 3. That's my top 3 though. First one, the first one. Second one, number 8, and third ending though. But yeah, let me know in the comments what's you guys' favorite endings though. What you guys like and whatnot and all that stuff. And yeah, subscribe so you guys don't miss my Chainsaw Man reaction though. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Now, see you guys.